At the Ocean City Convention Center, and we came across this stunning 1970 Chevelle SS for sale. According to the owner, this is a true super sport, numbers matching, SS 396 big block with 350 horsepower with a turbo 400 automatic. And in the back is a 12-bolt posi rear. Other features include SS rally wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich radial TAs. And the unique thing is a bench seat with a column shift. Most Chevelle SS's had bucket seats in the console. It has a gauge package, tachometer, doesn't have the cowl induction hood, but it does have the SS hood with the black vinyl top and the black stripes with the cranberry red. Original dual exhaust, correct chrome tips, the SS emblems. The owner's asking price, as you can see here, is $55,900.